Deleting worksheets in Excel is pretty quick and easy to do, so let's have a look at two different ways to delete your worksheets. But before we do, I'd just like to say that once you delete a worksheet, it's gone forever. You can't bring the worksheet back in any way, including clicking on the undo button or pressing Ctrl-Z. Okay, so the first way to delete a worksheet is just to right-click with the mouse on the Worksheets tab and select Delete in the pop-up menu. And as you can see, Sheet 5 is now gone, and like I said before, there's no way to get it back. The second way to delete a worksheet is to go to the Home tab in the ribbon, click on the drop-down menu below the Delete button, and then click on Delete Sheet. And as you can see, that's deleted Sheet 4. And once again, there's no way to get that back. Okay, so that's two ways that you can delete your worksheets in Excel.